Hello and welcome to the Science Corner. My name is Linnea Jones and I'm going to be your wacky, crazy science experiment teacher for the day. So we are doing an experiment to blow up a balloon without even having to use our mouths. It's really cool. So what we're going to do is we're going to take items that you can find around your house and we're going to make them into something crazy. First, what you need is a regular water bottle. Any kind of water bottle will do. Then you need some vinegar, you need baking soda, balloons, of course, any kind is fine. I like the polka dotted design because it's fun. You need a straw and you need water. So after you get all of your things together, you can go ahead and start doing the experiment. Alright, so your first step is to take your water and to take your vinegar and you're going to pour them into the bottle. So what you want to do is you want to take your water first and you're going to pour about ½ an inch into the bottom of your bottle. So you want a little bit of water down at the bottom. And then what you're going to do is you're going to repeat that same step with the vinegar and you're going to pour a little bit in. Now it's kind of hard to tell, but if you get to about an inch, you should be perfect. So that is step one. Alright, now your next step is to take your balloon, whichever color you chose, and your straw, or if you have a funnel at home, you can also use that, and your baking soda. And you might want to put down a paper towel or a plate underneath this because it can get a little messy. And what you're going to do is you're going to take your straw, you're going to stick it straight into the baking soda, put your finger on the top of the straw, and pull out baking soda into it. You see how it's in there? And then what you want to do is you want to take the balloon and fill the balloon with the baking soda that you just got out. So you let it go or twist the straw around. You might have to tap it on the table a little bit just to get the baking soda to go out of the straw. And you want to fill up your balloon halfway. Now it might be hard to tell from the outside with what kind of balloon you have whether or not it's filled up halfway. But you can tell by kind of shaking it around. If you feel it a little bit, you should be able to feel where the baking soda is in your balloon and how far up you want to have it. So then once you get it up halfway, you move on to the next step. Alright, now your next step is to take the bottle that you already prepared before with the vinegar and water, make sure at the bottom, and you want to take your balloon that you just filled up halfway with baking soda, and what you want to do is you want to take the top of it, the elastic part at the top, and you want to put it on the top right up here at the lid. So you stretch it out and you pull it over and make sure to not get any of the baking soda from the heavy side of the balloon into your bottle. Now that you have your bottle and your balloon situated, you're ready for the last part of the experiment. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take two fingers, you're going to hold onto the balloon where it meets the water bottle, and you're going to take the top of the balloon and you're going to want to pour all of the baking soda into the vinegar and water mixture. Now what happens is that baking soda is sodium bicarbonate, which means it's a weak base. And vinegar contains acetic acid, a weak acid. When they mix, the two react in an acid-base neutralization. This creates carbon dioxide, which is the gas on the bottom, which you see bubbling, and it causes to inflate the balloon. Alright everyone, I hope you enjoyed your experiment. Thank you for watching the Science Corner.